Hello everyone. Today we are going to reproduce this image where there is a lady wearing a red dress with a heart shaped engraved in or dug into the beach. With the beach, you can see the hair have that yellow highlight. There is this white and there is this some yellow glare. I'll show you the original image where we made a mistake. So this is the original image, and we forgot her skirt above her belly, which means we need to replace her whole belly. And thus we keep less realistic elements into the photo. I want to avoid that in the future. Hopefully in the future the belly is still there. The second thing is overly bright here. If we do remove subject, it's gonna remove parts of her faces or face. We need to fix that, but we made our subject wear red, the dress in red, and we are going to match here with the photo. First thing we are going to do is throw the background, and here we have generated an AI image with a lady dressing red. I used this lady or my real subject image to generate this photo, the description of her dress and her maternity pose. Okay, so first we threw this into the scene, and now we are going to make the top layer for the lady. When we do that, we need first thing to do again, do multiply just to as mode to size our subject. Perfect. And now we need to align her belly. Perfect. Done. Normal. Now we select the subject and we can see directly that her face is cropped, it's cut, and we can just use any simple tool to improve our selection. It doesn't have to be accurate. And there, band. Okay. So now we have selected the lady. We are going to select mask, create mask from selection, duplicate layer again, and this time delete the mask one more time. This time we are going to focus on her hand. Now the lens we used is blurry, and you can see that in the image. I am going just to roughly select her finger and see, because her dress is red and in the photo is red, so having little red around the finger is totally fine. It's this white part that will look unrealistic, so I'm going to remove some of the whites. Okay, and then we create mask again. Now what we can do also to improve the looks is just go to filter, other, minimum, and this is how we remove the white edges around the fingers. It's fine. Okay, so now I will go into this lady, and I'll start by selecting the mask, hitting B to select the brush, expanding the brush, choosing the black color to erase. Okay, so I feel this is good enough. And now we need to remove the lady in the background. The way we do it, we again select the background, we go into healing remove tool, spot healing tool. Below it there is a remove tool. We select the lady in the back and we remove. Of course, selecting the AI image layer. and now she's removed almost. Again, we do it. Sometimes just gives you weird faces and shapes. We can use, if this didn't work the third time, there is another way we can use, which is just I forgot what it's called. It's called content aware fill. Okay, so now this is perfect. We can ignore this part for now. Before we proceed, I can do it later. So now we just select the hands and the upper part of the dress, sorry, around the dress, and we hit generate fill. Choose an image as a reference. I'm using Photoshop Beta. This feature is only currently available in Photoshop Beta. I select the original image. I remove the background. I open ChatGPT. I throw the image into ChatGPT. I'll say describe her dress as an image generation prompt. It will say a flowing off-shoulder deep red chiffon gown, and we don't have to read the whole thing. We just copy it, come back again, put it in the description, hit enter. Now, sometimes I've noticed that the generation doesn't work, and I believe, I'm not sure why, but oh, I made a mistake. We have to select the top layer and then hit generate always. So it takes generative fill, considers or counts all the layers below the selected layer, or on and below the selected layer. I believe it's not gonna work. See, it didn't work. Whenever there are body parts, sometimes it doesn't work. So I think the upper part is fine. So what I'll do, I'll just select the bottom part. I'll do the same, generate. Sorry. If you have questions, if you have some challenges that you'd like me to do in our studio, please let me know. See, now worked. It even shown some of the dress. It blended, and the pose is amazing. Let's see other variances. To be honest, I like this one. There is this one, and there is this one. I like this is the most. So, one other thing we have to do, we have to duplicate the layer for the lady's face. We have to use levels, just to show more of her face. It was a bit dark. And now we can select the mask, select the black again, black brush, and brush over it. And on this, what we need to do, you can see the yellow highlights. We did that in the studio. Let us know if you'd like to know how to achieve such highlights. Make a new layer, Control Alt G, or create clipping mask. If you right click, there is release clipping mask, create the clipping mask. I'm gonna pick the yellow color, deep yellow color, paint over her head and body. Okay, and now I'm just gonna put it as lighten. I reduce it to around 12, like this. So this glow from the sun in the background now is into her face, blending here. And see, why do we generate AI images? Because it produces natural shadows and perfect shadows for the scene, and it looks very natural. And we can save the photo at this level. I'll just save it, and let me know if you have any particular challenge you'd like us to do. Thank you.